How to use the axle lockers in your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. To use the lockers in your Jeep vehicle, a few conditions need to be met. The vehicle needs to be on or in the run position, the transfer case in 4 low, and to be operated at speeds less than 10 miles an hour. To activate the system, once these conditions are met, press the toggle switch up or down in front of the transfer case selector. When pressing the toggle switch down, this locks only the rear locker, and when pressing the toggle switch up, this locks both the front and rear differentials. To turn the system off, press the button to the left of the toggle switch and this will unlock both lockers. The axle lock indicator will show in the dash to which axles are currently locked. If the light is flashing, the system is in progress. If the light is solid, the axles are locked. You can also view the status in the off-road pages on your infotainment screen if you have the 8.4-inch touchscreen. Jeeps with the Off-Road Plus setting can also use the rear axle lock only in 4 high and at speeds up to 20 miles an hour. So hopefully this helps you in using the axle lockers in your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. If you would like to learn how to use the transfer case lever or the sway bar disconnects, I will have dedicated videos on both those topics. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed watching, please hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future content. If you have any questions or comments on how this system works, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll definitely get back to you. So as usual, with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.